How to get new music discs in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just simply find a trial chamber. And to do that, you could either go to like Artographer, which has the journeyman level, and just simply buy the map from it. Or what you can do is just simply open up your commands and just type in locate/locate, then structure, then trial chambers right here. Then you simply need to click on it or just type in TP and just simply click on enter to be teleported. And you just need to dig down the ground right here to reach the trial chambers. So once you are on the trial chambers, you just simply need to open the vault right here. You could use the ominous trial key to open this vault, and there's a chance that you could get the disc. So now, as you can see, we already got it. So we have the new music disc right here. And what you'd also do is go find the normal vaults right here, which doesn't require the ominous trial key. It just requires a trial key. So you could open it up. So it has a lower chance of dropping it, but it can still drop it. You could just go to the random vaults right here. So just find the other vaults. Next, if you go around the trial chambers and you stumble upon this like staircase or something, on the very bottom you will see a chest, and when you open the chest, there's a chance that you can get all the music discs right here. So you could just go around and find these hidden staircases or hidden chests, and sometimes it will have the music disc inside of it. The last thing you can do is just simply break some pots right here, and boom, as you can see, we already got the music disc in that pot. So you could just repeat this process and find other pots, so it might drop music discs also. So here, there's a key, and there, this has nothing, but other pots will drop you the music discs. You just repeat the process or the methods that I said, so that you could obtain the new music disc. And that's how you basically get the new music discs in Minecraft.